Today I'm eating cereal and I'm eating honey rolls, and later I'm going to help my mom clean up the house. So let's finish up eating.
You're doing that back again over and over.
Oh, and the funny news about yesterday was that my mom was here yesterday. I was holding the door for her, and she was outside the door. And then, because yesterday we saw a fox, so we got scared. And the next she told me to hold the door and call her just in case the fox comes. And then next I accidentally scared her by the rabbit, and I told her, "Oh, mommy, there's the rabbit." And then next she ran to the door and she told me, "Why did you did that?" I thought it was a fox. And then next we were both laughing. So that was the funny news. I like that thing. Let's go see mommy.
You're betting, mommy.
Hello, mommy.
Hi. Good morning.
Everybody's in a bad mood except for mommy. Except for mommy. Actually, Lee. He's hitting me right now.
Lee, are you done eating your breakfast? Lee, go eat your breakfast, Lee. Shh. Go eat your breakfast.
Hi, everybody. Good morning. Today, I'm going to eat cereal.
Cereal.
Cereal. Let's stop eating.
Hi guys, yan po, gahugas yung nakong babae. So, ando naman yung isa. Ayan. Clifford, where's your sandal? It's cold in the... So, doon tayo sa ano guys. Basement. Mag-ano tayo. Linis. Kasi makalat dito sa basement namin. Ano lang namin to guys, kahapon, ka-install lang namin itong computer kahapon. Hi guys, magluluto tayo ng ano namin, lunch. Wala kaming magawa guys, ito lang kami sa bahay. So, magluluto ako ng spaghetti. Wala kaming tomato ketchup, so yung fresh tomato na lang gagamitin. Yung cherry tomato. Tapos gagamit ako ng celery. Wala kasi akong ibang mushroom, guys. So, ito yung gagamitin kong mushroom. Wala, yung asawa ko, guys, nasa isang bahay namin. May trabaho pa kasi siya doon. So, doon muna siya. So, kami, dito muna kami, guys, kasi walang pasok yung mga bata. Spring break nila. So, dito muna kami sa aming bahay. Itong kamatis, galing pa ito doon sa bahay namin. Sayang din kasi baka masisira ako kasi wala kami doon ng 1 linggo. Tapos balik naman kami doon. Kaya may pasok pa yung mga bata. So, punta dito yung asawa ko. Pag tapos yung work niya, yun, tapos balik naman kami doon. Wala kasi akong guys, ang tawag nun, shrimp. Mag-Alfredo sana ako, yung spaghetti. Kaya lang, gagamitin natin, lulutuin natin kung anong mayroon tayo sa refrigerator. Kasi malayo dito yung tindahan, guys. Walang sasakyan. Mga 7 minutes pag may sasakyan ka. So, wala kaming sasakyan, guys. Kasi wala yung asawa ko dito sa bahay. Ando siya sa kabilang bahay namin. Hindi yung kabilang bahay, guys, Ando siya sa isang bahay namin. Magluluto tayo, guys. Magluluto tayo ng pasta. Diyan sa background, guys. Mulan tayo. Huwag nyo naman pansinin kung ano man yung nasa background natin. May paglabi ang guys yung mushroom. Ang mga rin pamangkot. Hindi na akong kaunting soap. Ito muna natin, guys. Okay na to, guys. Ito na itong mushroom. Tignan ko muna kung walang tubig. Lagay na natin itong noodles. Pasta. Wala kung may tubig. Wala man pala. So, ayan. Ito na po ang ating pasta. Patayin ko na yun, guys. kasi mainit-init pa man yung kalan. Ito yung simpleng ano guys, spaghetti. Diba? Ito yung simpleng spaghetti guys. Pasta. With celery and mushroom. With cherry tomato. Yan guys. So, kung may kamatis kayo guys, marami kayong kamatis. Gusto nyo magluto ng pasta. Gamitin yung kamatis guys. Lagyan nyo lang ng kaunting asukal. So, ayan na. So, prepare natin yung pagkain ng mga bata. Yung maraming masyo. Lagyan natin sa ating ayan guys. Sarap guys. Bukli yung gas. Kasi hindi ko nilagay. Lee, come here now.
Oh, yeah.
Okay guys, kain tayo. Dito tayo kakain sa ating precious table. Precious table daw. Kasi dun guys, wala, hindi available kasi mayroon yung old ref namin. So, hindi kami makakain dun sa isang kitchen. Mamaya na ako kukuha ng guys, ng drinks. Kasi, kapag kukuha na ako ng drinks ngayon, mas nauuna yung drinks kaysa yung kain.